my cookies, today I'll be showing you how to make Parmesan Crusted Chicken since they shut down my local Longhorn Steakhouse and I'm sad. Let's cook. First we're going to need some chicken breasts. These are boneless and skinless, and I've pounded them with a meat mallet so that they have the same thickness throughout the length of the breast. So you want to make sure you do that so that they cook evenly. Set the chicken aside. Let's work on the marinade. First, we're going to use some Italian dressing. If you can get the zesty kind, that's best. Also, we're going to add in some Worcestershire sauce and 1 packet of ranch seasoning mix. And then you want to whisk it together really well. I tasted it and it needed a little bit of salt, so I added in some salt and some fresh cracked black pepper. Whisk it together really well again. And now we can grab our chicken and place it into a container or Ziploc bag, and we're going to pour that marinade all over our chicken. Make sure you move the chicken around so that the marinade coats the chicken completely. Then you can cover it up and refrigerate for at least 4 hours or overnight. After it marinates, go ahead and heat some vegetable oil in a skillet that you can place into the oven also, and add your chicken in. Now, 2 options. You can just sear it, meaning you can brown it for 3 to 4 minutes on both sides. Make sure you don't move the chicken around too much. You want to get it nice and browned. Then you can transfer the pan into a 350-degree oven for about 8 to 10 minutes. Or you can do it all over the stove like I did. I just pan fried the chicken until it was cooked thoroughly all the way through. This took about 5 to 6 minutes per side, but this will vary based on the thickness of your chicken. Once it's nice and browned and cooked all the way through, we can work on the topping. Here I have provolone. I just got some slices. I chopped up about 5 slices of cheese and put it in a bowl. To it, I'm going to add some shredded Parmesan cheese, just a little bit. And of course, we need our ranch dressing. I am using buttermilk ranch. That's the good stuff. It works so well in this recipe. So just pour it in, mix it all together. Now we can spoon about 1 tablespoon of the cheese mixture on top of each breast. And I only have 3 in the pan, but this recipe is enough for 4 chicken breasts. And the heat is completely off, guys. I have it on the stove, but the heat is turned off. And here I have some melted butter that I'm going to add some Italian style Panko breadcrumbs to it. Mix it together well, and then we're going to top it on top of the cheese. That's a lot of top. Put it on top of the cheese, guys. Then place it into the oven on the broil setting. Turn it up high and allow it to broil for about 3 minutes. And cookies, we are done. The ingredients and measurements will be in the description box. Thank you so much for watching, cookies. Until next time, I'm about to eat. Be blessed.